Hi guys, welcome back to Elisa's Adventures in Cruising. It is 10 days out from my group cruise with Meet and I on the Carnival Conquest, and my suitcase is packed. My clothes are packed, but I still have some packages coming in from, Amazon and the FSA store. I thought I would do a little unboxing video and show you what I got. Hey guys, so like I was saying, I have some packages that I've been saving to open up and see what I need to, see what I got that I need to pack in my suitcase for my cruise. I have my clothes all packed, but I think I ordered a couple of extra things. So let's take a look and see what I got. Okay, now this is from Amazon. And what do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Oh, it is the micro SD cards. I think I might need a couple more of those. I plan on recording a lot, but these are for my GoPro, just SanDisk Extreme micro SD cards, 32 gigabytes, good for video. I will use those in my, did I say GoPro? It's not an actual GoPro, but my action camera. So that's what box or package number one is. This package is from the FSA Store. Now, I've actually never ordered from them before. Have you guys ever even heard of this website? There's an FSA Store and an HSA store. Just like with your health insurance, you might have an FSA card or an HSA card, for your flex spending and your health savings account. Well, you know how you can use that card or order online things that you need from the pharmacy. Well, apparently it is a designated online store. It tells you exactly what is eligible to be purchased through your FSA account. Hey guys, I'm not sure if you already know about this, but I was surprised to find that there is an FSA store. I was actually just checking to see if there was a list of items, FSA approved items that I could purchase, and I stumbled upon this this website called the FSA Store. So if you are stocking up on anything for your trip, you might want to check to see if it's already covered as part of your FSA program. So you've already spent the money, or you've set that money aside, and now you don't have to come out of pocket for additional things just to stock up your travel bag. So I'll show you more in a minute. And you can order lots of items that you might need, just generally, that you might need for your own personal medicine cabinet at home, but things that you might want to make sure that you take with you on the cruise. So you have that. Well, this one is I mean, you might need it. This is Gas-X. You're trying a lot of different foods, a lot of rich foods. You want to make sure you don't have a problem. Gas-X. Well, that was kind of like a lot of packaging and bubble wrap for that, but that's what it is. All right, let's see. This is another. I guess the shipment got split because I didn't order a whole lot, but it came in 2 boxes. So this is also from the FSA store, but what we get in here. Okay, this I have also never used before. Be Cool cooling gels, gel sheets. I just thought it could be cool after you come back from being in the sun. Just a quick way to help you cool down, or if you're somebody who likes to walk around with the fan or the mister or something. Maybe this is something that you could put in your tote bag, your backpack, whatever you're carrying for the day, and help you cool off. It says it's immediate cooling relief for migraine or fever. You don't need to refrigerate it at all. And I just thought, why not? I would give it a try. So that's what the Be Cool is. Also in this box is some Benadryl allergy relief medication. I have regular seasonal allergies, so I like to have something with me. You never know with all of the different plants and things. I might have some kind of reaction, but I just wanted to have some Benadryl on hand, handy. So Benadryl was included as a flexible spend account item. I think that's what FSA stands for. Now this item, I'm actually pretty excited about it. I've been looking to try it, and the last couple times I looked for it at Target, it was sold out. So I was surprised to see it as an option that was available here, but it's sunscreen. There's all kinds of sunscreen, but I wanted to try this brand in particular, the Black Girl sunscreen. This is moisturizing sunscreen lotion for face and body. It's SPF 30, ultra sheer, no white residue, fragrance free. So I really am looking forward to trying that, and I was glad that I was able to find this on the website and order it, again using my FSA account. So it's it's money that I've already put aside, and I can use that and not have to come out of pocket again as you're trying to save up your spending money before you head out on your trip. So that's what's from the FSA store. I will definitely let you know how I like this sunscreen. I've heard good things about it, so I'm expecting to like it as well. Okay, so did you guys know that there's an FSA store online? I did not know that. I actually was looking online for a list of the items that are approved for purchase using your FSA card. I've done this before. I've purchased things with my FSA card, over-the-counter items from Walgreens. I've also done it from Amazon, but it was kind of hit or miss. Like, I didn't know exactly what was on the list or what was approved. So I started off by trying to find the list for my health insurance, and actually when I put in FSA, this is one of the things that came up. So if you go on to the website of FSA Store, it will show you all of the items that are already pre-approved for you to use your card and purchase. So in my case, I like to always make sure that I have the some over-the-counter items, Tylenol, Advil. I always have my Dramamine, but I check for that too to see if that's available. That way you are spending on these things that you want for your travel medicine case, but you've already either put money aside, tax-free money aside, or it's being covered by your health insurance, so you're not going out of pocket for your emergency situation on while you're traveling. So anyway, I went on. I didn't need Advil, but they have Advil, they have Tylenol. Something that I actually was checking for was sunscreen. I wanted to try and I want to make sure I call it the right thing. I think it's called Black Girl Sunscreen. And so I went on, let me see if I could put in the name to make sure I am calling it the right thing. Yeah, there we go. Black Girl Sunscreen, SPF 30. I wanted to try that. And so now that I know that it's covered under my FSA, I might as well go ahead and pick it up and have a little bit of a savings too. Now, I have seen this at Target as well. If you wanted to pick it up in the store, I don't know. I haven't done the comparison on the prices, but I do know in the store they also have a spray. If you'd rather have the spray can to apply your sunscreen. But anyway, I was happy to see that it was on here, and so I went ahead and got that. And then just some what else did I get? I got some allergy medicines like my Zyrtec. I got a Benadryl just in case. You never know if you're going to have a reaction to something. I would say if you know what you like to take for an upset stomach, if you're going to be trying different foods or really rich foods, you might want to have something with you just in case. So your Pepto-Bismol, your Kaopectate, your Imodium, whatever it is that you prefer to use, see if it's available online as well, and you still have time to order it and have it shipped to you. If you have an HSA account instead of the FSA account, it looks like there's the same options there, and you can enjoy 25% off for your first order when you subscribe. You can select your items and you use your card, and then it's not taking out of your general, instead of using your debit account or credit card, you've already had this money set aside and can use it. So if you didn't know about the FSA store, you might want to go online and check it out. Okay, and now this is the last box that I have, and this is from Amazon also, and let's see what it is. Who else has packages coming in and they're not quite sure what they ordered? I mean, it is almost like Christmas all the time, opening up packages, but gotta slow down a little bit here. Oh, this is another thing to help me with taking my pictures and videos. My my last selfie stick, the stand, kind of broke off, so I got a new one. This is a Fill-Lite selfie stick tripod. So it is a little tripod, but I could also, just use it as a selfie stick, do the handhold thing, and I think this will be good. Put my camera on there, or my phone, which I normally use to video, and I'll be ready. All right, guys, well, that was just a quick unboxing. Again, I'm super excited about my 10-day countdown. This is day 10, and this is what I did to prep for my group cruise. Thanks for watching, guys. Please, if you haven't already, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment below. Thanks. See you next time.